We had a lot of changes. A lot of changes in our life insurance industry going on this year. In January, they passed some new 7702 rules, which does a few things. It adjusts the mech limit for how much death benefit you buy. The mech limit is how much cash you can put into your policy, and it's based on the amount of death benefit associated with it. And along with that, it adjusted what whole life insurance companies can offer for guaranteed growth. It was written into law before that they had to have a 4% guarantee. A lot of carriers were struggling with that in these low interest rate environments. And so they lobbied and got the rule changed. So now you can have guarantees as low as 2% or as high as 3.75. So the new law created some flexibility. 2% on the low end, 3.75 on the high end. If you've already bought policies that have that 4% guarantee, you don't have to worry about it. Those don't change. Those are locked in by contract. But soon, all these whole life companies are going to be coming out with new products that are going to fall somewhere in that 2 to 3.75% range. They can no longer offer the 4% guarantee. The maximum that they're capped at is 3.75. So a lot of carriers were struggling to even meet that 4% guarantee, and so they were forced to pay that out, even though their dividend rate would probably justify 3% or maybe less. So they were really struggling. A lot of the carriers that I like to work with, in fact, all the carriers I like to work with, were not struggling in that regard. They were still putting out well over that 4% guarantee on the dividends. So it'll be interesting to see what they come up with for new products. Imagine that carriers that have the ability to still meet that 4% guarantee, they may come out with some multiple products. Maybe they'll come out with some products that offer just the 2% guarantee and give a little better cash growth opportunities, and also offer some with the higher 3.75 guarantee or somewhere in the middle. It'll be interesting to see what comes out. But that's my expectation. I'm hoping to see some interesting products come out that give us some different opportunities depending on what your goals are. The more the guarantees, typically, the higher the costs in the policy, and the lower the potential growth that you're going to get as far as cash value. Since I'm mostly focused on high cash value policies, it's going to be interesting to see how some of these stack up after the new ones come out. So have you guys been hearing about this stuff? What do you think? What are people talking about out there in this regard?
Hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and whole life, check out these videos right over here, and we'll see you next time.
Now go maximize your cash flow.